Hello CS50, my name is Eduardo and I am from Brazil, São Paulo. Today I would like to present my CS50 final project, Osakascope. Osakascope is a Mario tube from which you can see a first-person perspective video of the city of Osaka in Japan. You can see the people there, the shops, the streets, as you were a tourist in Japan. It was used to celebrate the 50-year anniversary between the sister cities of Osaka and São Paulo in August 2019. The tube has an ultrasonic sensor that can check if someone is close enough to watch the video. If yes, the Python script plays a sound and registers into a Postgres database. If a person is far away, it plays a Mario Warp Tube sound to attract viewers. There is also an admin website from which it is possible to register, log in, and see the data on the tube, the total views, the today's views, and the last time and date that someone viewed the tube. And that's all for Osakascope. In the video description, I left the admin website address and the Git repository that hosts all my code for this project. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.